The second quarter GDP growth was, as Swaminathan Ankleshwarya Iyer mentioned, like 1983 Indian cricket team winning World Cup. There were good bowlers, good batsmen, good fielders, and good wicket keeping and all round performance. For the first time after many quarters, consumption, investment, and government spending all moved in tandem to create 8.2% growth. It was not driven by just one factor. The rebound was spread across agriculture, manufacturing, construction, public spending, trade, as well as financial services. This is all round performance of economy, which gives confidence that probably this can be sustained.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.